Okay, hi man. Hey, Ariel, how you doing? It's Arch, aka Nugget. I'm going to be showing you how to install your game Carlos Michelis onto a Plus 3E. Now, you can see my Plus 3E here. I can probably... Let me show you the actual machine. Here we go. There's the laptop I'm playing the data off. There's my Plus 3E there. Okay, so let's show you how this Plus 3E business works. You can see there it says 128 Plus 3E. So what we're going to do first is I've got a blank SD card in there. We're going to format to 0,768. Really format hard disk, yes. Okay, we're formatted. If we do a cat tab, it shows we've got an IDE unit 0, 4 gig CF card, we've got 767 free partition entries. So we're going to new data, quote Carlos Michelis, and we'll make it, let's make it 6 megs. A bit more than we need, but hell, when we've got 4,000 megs, why be stingy, huh? A bit rusty on this. So there we go, D drive is now permanently mapped to the Carlos Michelis partition, and now we're going to make the D drive the default drive, load D colon, and also make that a permanent assign. There we go, and now when we reboot the computer, it should reboot with a D drive with Carlos, named Carlos, mapped to the partition named Carlos Michelis. And if you look at the bottom, logical drives, you've got A, B, D and M, D being the Carlos drive. So if we go into Plus 3 Basic now, we should find we're straight into D. No files found, 6,128 free. So now we're going to run your new installer. Load tape. Load quote. Going to install it to drive D. We've got 6,128K free. Okay, so let's go. Hit the play button. Okay, well we don't want to sit through, the WAV file's apparently 15 minutes long, so we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, I think this is the longest file in the installer. It's about 36K, and basically the last one was about 27K, and the Plus 3E dumped it onto the disk in about 1 second, and then there was a 19-second gap. So I guess your friend was probably working with a floppy disk, which is probably what most people will be using it with. Obviously, it's probably better to have the longer gap than not have it. But anyway, let's see if we can see how quickly it deals with this one. Yes. Ooh. And there you go, you see, it does it quite quickly on the Plus 3E. Hello? Yes. Okay, so I guess we'll probably skip until near the end now. Oh dear. Looks like I missed the end. Okay, so anyway, I'm sure you've seen that process happen a few times anyway. Would you like to save a file called disk to make your game auto boot? And let's see how fast it loads off of the Plus 3E. Yes, please. There we go. English. And we'll go to the mansion. I don't know how long it took, I just pressed enter after a few seconds. So there you have it. You want to have a look at the disc. We'll just reset there. It takes quite a long time to look through 768 partitions. Cat. And there you go. So that's it, installing to, oh, we've still got 5,988K free. We can fit a few Carlos Michelises on there, onto that partition. Alright man, hope you enjoyed this. I'm out of here.